Okay, today is September 10th, 2024. I am cooking a menudo, chicken menudo, with carbohydrates. I got a red potato, white potato, and sweet potato. So it's a combination of red potato, white potato, and yellow potato. I think it's white and yellow potato. It's a combination of both, and sweet potato. So I got 3 different types of potato here. And the main ingredient here is the chicken, right? All right. So you got all the ingredients here. So in the beginning I did saute the onion. Then I put a little bit of salt, and then the garlic. No, there are no garlic on this one. I did a black pepper, okay? Or before this, I have whole tomatoes, and I have them boiled, right, until they are easy to peel, and then I puree them, right? And then after that, after I puree them, I added them on my sauteed onions and black pepper. And then after that, I added my chicken to saute a little bit about the chicken. And now I added my carbohydrates. So I have the red potato, yellow and white potato, and sweet potato. Okay. Right there. All right. I put the final ingredients. I put the tomato chunk. All right, these are fresh tomatoes chunk, not from the can. So right now I'm simmering it for another 20 minutes. Okay. All right. Okay, I just added the last ingredient, butter, to thicken the sauce. Okay. So right now there are no fire underneath it or heat underneath it. It's just cooking on its own. All right, it's already cooked. I already checked the carbohydrates. They're cooked already. All right. I'll take another video for the plating. Okay, right now this is my plating for chicken menudo. Right, I'm just gonna go 360 with this plating. All right, this is chicken menudo on a plate.